peoples. Yes, mad lad, peoples. Papers coming at this mad time. Papers. Mad time. Papers. Time for the landlord. I know I'm late, but I don't know. So I think set up sometime. I know your rain still a fall. How the may I come from? The rain still a fall, people. So you know what? Make a reason. I'm gonna run come. So. I don't know the hours and the time. Coming out this, you was for it. Rain and fall of Portland. You don't like me hairstyle? Yeah. You don't like me hairstyle, people? Mad. Too early. It's too early. Can't bust them the type of laugh they yet. Yes, you don't like the hair spoil? Nice, don't? Me not laugh this evening. Me tell you, this evening name a no laughing evening. And we are going to just talk about Pum Pum Live. And all kind of something. So people, we say, whether hairstyle and him, landlord, it's mad sick, it no good. I pull out me here, man. Next week, Wednesday, me I go out, you know. Next week, Wednesday, me I go meet my husband. Maybe you not go talk to me, but at least me I go meet my husband who will follow me. Me carry with me. Me and I go all along the way. Leaving here quite early Wednesday morning. Yes, so we are get the van fixed up. Where say I laugh dry over here? Well, nobody come. Can no laugh now go on this evening. No laugh. Who can make me laugh? Pretty shells. Bacchus time. Someone wanna come off and go on the bed. Yeah. All who are under the table are please go your bed. Me are renewing my visa. Me not got none. Not a visa. Florence Henry, I want me get Kenny. I want me to call you Saturday. No, next week. Next week, Wednesday. Me a carry up on a world tour. So me I want some credit for me did yourself. And me not knowing. I will tell you on Tuesday evening. Yes. Monday or Tuesday. So me can carry on all the way. All when me I get him back as me I go show no. Cause me I go check big boy. I don't know how yet till we go. Next week we go and check big boy me on. Tell your sister so me soon come check him. Me see your niece when me go out in IB and see your sister did there. So she didn't know, so me I come check her one of them there. But me kinda busy you know. No worry on yourself. I'll put up a number now and the rest or something. You want to come, Kenny? Call me, Kenny. Text me later. Make me and you go, Kenny. Text me if you can come or not. Let me tell you how we not tell them. A surprise to them. How are you going? We only carry them and surprise them. In the name of the hairstyle and your Erica head's mad sick, no good. And I see somebody fire when me can identify who work with mad people. And it Crystal. You da must come bust the little secret in. You could have just keep your mouth. Lord, keep by your mouth, baby. Oh, you know say this one me I go, boy, you know easy, sir. More want like a boyfriend when you reach down there too. I look for big boy. Boy, nothing na hide by ya. Yeah, we are got Christine funeral. And me I'll shake out the old clothes and me have upstairs. See if me find nothing.